You see QR codes everywhere. On restaurant tables, on payment apps, on posters, tickets, websites, even on product packaging. You scan, and instantly a website opens, a menu loads, or a payment goes through. But here's the real question. How does this tiny square of black and white boxes store so much information? It looks random, but it's actually one of the smartest designs in modern technology. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at a QR code the same way again. A QR code is not an image. It is not a shortcut button. It is pure data. QR literally means quick response. It is designed so machines can read information instantly. Every small black or white square in a QR code is called a module. Each module represents a 1 or a 0, just like computer binary. So when you scan a QR code, your phone camera is not seeing a picture. It is reading digital instructions hidden inside the pattern. Let's talk about those 3 big squares in the corners. These are not decoration. They are position markers. They tell your camera, this is a QR code. This is the top. This is the angle. So even if the QR code is tilted, crumpled, or printed on a curved surface, your phone still understands how to read it. The empty white space around the QR code is also important. It is called the quiet zone. Without that space, scanners get confused and fail. So yes, every part of a QR code exists for a reason. Now comes the interesting part: how data is actually stored. Inside the QR code, information is broken down into tiny pieces of binary data, ones and zeros. Black square equals 1, white square equals 0. These bits are arranged in a very specific path across the QR code, not in straight lines, but in a zigzag pattern that allows fast scanning. A QR code can store a website link, plain text, phone numbers, contact cards, Wi-Fi passwords, even small messages. A normal barcode stores around 20 to 30 characters. A QR code stores up to 4,000 characters. That is the real reason QR codes replace barcodes. Here's the part most people don't know. QR codes are designed to be damaged and still work. Yes, even if a corner is torn, ink is missing, a sticker covers part of it, your phone still scans it. Why? Because QR codes use error correction. This means the same information is stored multiple times in different parts of the code. So if one part is missing, the scanner rebuilds the data from the remaining parts. Depending on the level used, a QR code can lose up to 30% of its data and still scan correctly. This is why QR codes on dusty posters, scratched packaging, or faded prints still work. You may notice that some QR codes look simple, and some look extremely crowded. That depends on how much data is inside, what type of data it is, and the error correction level. A short link creates a clean QR code. A long Wi-Fi password or detailed text creates a dense one. More data equals more squares. More error protection equals more repeated information. So when you see a messy-looking QR code, it usually means it's carrying more information or more safety backup. QR codes themselves are not dangerous, but what they open can be. A QR code can open a website, download a file, or redirect you to a fake payment page. That means a malicious QR code can send you to a phishing site without you realizing it. So here's the smart habit. Always check the link preview before tapping open. If the website looks suspicious, close it. The QR code is just the messenger. The real risk is where it leads. So next time you scan a QR code at a cafe, on a poster, or for payment, remember this. You are not scanning a picture. You are decoding thousands of tiny data instructions packed into a smart geometric system, a design that stores massive information, corrects its own damage, works at any angle, and responds instantly. All inside a small black and white square. Simple on the outside, brilliant on the inside. And that's the real magic of QR codes.